So hello everyone, in this video we are going to find out the transfer function of the system. How to find out the transfer function when they give the state space equations. How to find out the transfer function when they give the state space equation. The transfer function when they give the state space equation, the transfer function is given as C into SI minus A inverse B plus D. This is the formula to find out the transfer function of the system when they give the state space equation. Already we know that the state equation is denoted with x dot equal to ax plus bu, and the output equation is given as y equal to cx plus du. Cx plus du. So in the given question, a system is characterized by the following state space analysis equation. So in place of x dot we are having x1 x2. This is x1 dot and x2 dot. That is equal to minus 3 1 minus 2 0 x1 x2 plus 0 1 into u. So in place of A you are having this matrix, in place of B you are having this matrix, and in place of D you are having this matrix, and here they are not mentioned the D value, that's why D is assumed to be 0. So in order to find out the transfer function, the formula is C into Si minus A inverse B plus D. So first we have to find out the Si minus A inverse value. First we have to find out the Si minus A inverse value. So the Si minus A inverse, Si minus A inverse. So the inverse of any matrix is equal to adjoint of that matrix divided by the determinant of that matrix. So adjoint of Si minus A inverse equal to adjoint of Si minus A, that will be divided by the determinant of Si minus A. The determinant of Si minus A. So first we have to find out the Si minus A. After that we have to find out adjoint and the determinant of Si minus A. So what S is the scalar, where S is the scalar and I is the identity matrix. I is the identity matrix. So here A is the 2 cross 2 matrix, that's why we have to choose the identity matrix also 2 cross 2. In the question, if A is 3 cross 3, in that case we have to choose the identity matrix 3 cross 3. So here A is the 2 cross 2 matrix, so the identity matrix is 2 cross 2, that is 1 0 0 1 Si minus A, where A is minus 3 1 minus 2 0. So minus 3 1 minus 2 0. So Si minus A becomes S 0 0 S, I am multiplying S, minus A value is minus 3 minus 2 1 0. So S minus of minus 3, that is S plus 3, and 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2, S minus of 0 S. This is the Si minus A matrix. So find out the determinant of this matrix. The determinant of this matrix is S plus 3 into S minus 2 into minus 1. Determinant of Si minus A equal to S plus 3 into S minus 2 into minus 1. That will become S into S is S square plus S into 3 is 3S plus 2. This is the determinant of the given matrix. Now we have to find out the adjoint of Si minus A. The adjoint of Si minus A. Si minus A matrix is, what is Si minus A here? Si minus A matrix is S plus 3 minus 1 s plus 3 minus 1 2s 2s. So adjoint of Si minus A matrix is we know that if you have 2 cross 2 matrix A B C D like this, the adjoint of this A, let me call this is A matrix, the adjoint of A is, what is the adjoint of A? Just replace A with D and D with A and change the sign of B and C. Similarly, here in place of D we are having S, in place of A we are having S plus 3. So adjoint of Si minus A become S plus 3, and minus of minus 1 is plus 1, and here minus 2. And we are also finding out the det of Si minus A in the previous slide only. So the determinant of Si minus A is S square, that is S plus 3 into S. So S square plus 3S minus of minus 2 into minus 1, that is plus 2. So what is the inverse of Si minus A now? Si minus A inverse becomes adjoint of Si minus A by determinant of Si minus A. So here the adjoint of Si minus A is S1 minus 2 S plus 3. This is the adjoint of Si minus A by determinant of Si minus A is S square plus 3S plus 2. Now we have to find out the transfer function. What is transfer function? The transfer function is C into Si minus A inverse, that is multiplied with B plus D. Substitute all the values. So here's what is C? C is 1 0, and D is 0 1, and we are already calculated the Si minus A inverse. So first I am substituting C value, that is 1 0. Once again I am writing here the transfer function equal to C into Si minus A inverse B plus D. C is 1 0 and Si minus A inverse value is S1 minus 2 S plus 3. Here we are having S1 minus 2 S plus 3, and what is B value? B value is 0 1. B value is 0 1. I am writing B value also here. B value is 0 1. I am writing the B value here, plus D is 0. Si minus A is S1 minus 2 S plus 3, and we are having the determinant of Si minus A, that is S square plus 3S plus 2. So first do the multiplication between these two matrices. So S into 0, I am writing 1 0 here, 1 0 here. S into 0, that is 0. S into 0, that is 0, plus 1 into 1, 1. Again minus 2 into 0, 0, plus S plus 3 into 1, S plus 3. And here we are having S square plus 3S plus 2. Now again do the matrix multiplication. 1 into 1, 1. 0 into S plus 3, 0. 0 into S plus 3, 0 into S plus 3, 0, and we are having S square plus 3S plus 2. So the transfer function of the given system is 1 plus 0 is 1 divided by s square plus 3s plus 2. So in this way we are going to find out the transfer function if they give the state space equations. So thank you all. Hope you get some knowledge about how to calculate the